Are you ready for the iPhone that might finally justify the Pro in its name? While all the hype is swirling around the ultralight, ultra-slim iPhone 17 Air, the real game changer might actually be the iPhone 17 Pro. Apple isn't holding back this year. From a wild new design to potential upgrades in camera power, processing speed, and even AI features, this could be Apple's boldest Pro phone yet. So buckle up, because in today's video, we're breaking down everything we know so far about the iPhone 17 Pro, and spoiler alert, if you're planning to upgrade this year, this might be the one to wait for. Let's start with Apple's big picture game. Over the years, Apple has carefully shifted its focus to make the Pro models more than just the expensive ones. They've become the showcase for cutting-edge innovation, better cameras, exclusive features, premium design materials. The iPhone 16 Pro proved that last year with a bigger screen, longer battery life, and a more efficient CPU. That was a huge leap in a single upgrade cycle. So it's no surprise Apple is doubling down on the Pro formula with the iPhone 17 Pro. The company's clearly betting that users want more than just a base iPhone, and they're willing to pay for it. Now, let's talk design. Big changes might be coming, and we mean big if the leaks are accurate. Apple is stretching the rear camera array almost entirely across the back of the phone. Imagine the Google Pixel's horizontal camera bar, but the Apple version. It's not just a cosmetic change either. This redesign allows more room for added sensors, and possibly even a rework of the camera system entirely. We've also seen leaked dummy units and case cutouts, showing that this new layout is being taken seriously by third-party accessory makers. And don't worry, Apple isn't pulling a two-tone color scheme here. Mark Gurman from Bloomberg says the array will remain the same color as the phone's body, keeping things clean and minimal. And here's a fun rumor: Apple might slightly move the logo downward to make room for the new camera block. It's like the Apple logo is taking a step back so the cameras can shine. Speaking of cameras, get ready. The iPhone 17 Pro could bring the holy trinity of 8MP sensors, main, ultra-wide, and now possibly the telephoto lens. But there's a catch. While the resolution might jump to 8MP, the zoom could actually drop from 5x to 3.5x. So yeah, it's a trade-off. More detail, but slightly less zoom range. Worth it. That's up to how often you're spying on squirrels in your backyard. And yes, the front camera is finally getting some love. Rumor has it Apple will switch to a 2MP true depth sensor for sharper FaceTime calls and better selfies. Great news if you're tired of looking like a pixelated potato in 20:5. As for the display, no major size changes for the Pro. It'll still be 6.3 inches. But rumors about low dielectric T-Tech and anti-scratch, anti-glare upgrades, yeah, those might not make the cut this year after all. Maybe next time. Now let's talk power, because the iPhone 17 Pro might pack serious muscle. We're expecting an A19 Pro chip, possibly built on an enhanced 3nm process. Though those dreamy 10nm rumors have been pushed back to the iPhone 18 series. Still, you're looking at more power and better efficiency. RAM might jump to 12GB, which is a big deal if you're into mobile gaming or plan to take advantage of Apple's growing on-device AI features. We're talking smarter call screening, live translation for FaceTime and texts, and even visual intelligence that lets your phone understand what's on your screen. It's like your iPhone is slowly becoming your tech-savvy best friend. And to keep all this from turning your phone into a hand warmer, Apple might finally add vapor chamber cooling, a feature Android flagships have had for years. It's about time. Battery life is always a concern, but the 17 Pro may not get a bigger battery than last year's 3,582 mAh. Instead, Apple seems to be relying on improved chip efficiency and possibly faster charging. Leaks suggest the iPhone 17 Pro could charge at 35 West, which, let's be honest, is still slower than some Android rivals, but at least it's a step forward from Apple's long time to OW limit. Wireless charging could get a bump too, thanks to Qi to support for faster, more efficient charging. And of course, all of this will run on iOS 19, which introduces a stunning liquid glass UI inspired by Vision OS. You'll also get a revamped Games app, some fresh UI animations, and a smoother experience across the board. And for the color lovers, one leaker says we might get a sky blue variant, matching the MacBook Air M4's aesthetic. It's subtle, it's classy, and yes, it's probably going to be all over Instagram. Now the big question: price. This one's a mystery. Tariffs and political pressure on Apple to move manufacturing to the US could shake up costs. There's also talk that the iPhone 17 Air might be priced under $1,000, which could open the door for Apple to raise the Pro's base price above $999. Even if it's just a small bump, don't be shocked. Apple's Pro phones are no longer just about performance, they're about prestige. So, is the iPhone 17 Pro worth the wait? If you want the best of Apple's design, camera tech, performance, and AI magic, it just might be. And while pricing remains uncertain, the feature list is already shaping up to justify the Pro label once again. That's all for today's deep dive into the iPhone 17 Pro. Let us know in the comments, are you Team Pro or waiting for the lightweight Air? If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech updates. And hey, check out our other videos on the iPhone 17 Air and iOS 19 updates. Links are on your screen now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.